is present in the Hindu today. There's not much, just 2-3 important news. So let's see. First, it is economy robust despite global risk. This news is important as it states two things. First is that RBI releases financial stability report here, that you have to remember, and the second is that there is decrease in NPA ratio. Okay, so non the scheduled commercial bank, you might be knowing that there is only 12 scheduled commercial banks in India, and the gross non-performance assets fell to a multi-year low of 2.8%, and net non-performing asset ratio declined to 0.6% at the end of the March 2014. And the second thing that you need to remember is this definition of disinflation. So what is disinflation? So if this is the sorry so if this is the inflation normal, this is the inflation going on right now in the market, okay, and this is the normal price, okay, normal price, okay. So inflation is reduced, okay, till here. If the new inflation is here, okay, then it will be called disinflation, okay. And if inflation is reduced to below the normal prices, then it is called desinflation, okay, DESINFLATION, okay, desinflation. So the next news is student protests at Jantar Mantar. Okay, so this news we don't have to worry about the news, just we have to know about the NTA. What is National Testing Agency? So it comes under Ministry of Education. Ministry of Education. Okay, and it doesn't only take exams related to medical, it takes a lot of exams related to agriculture, IC, Indian Council of Agriculture Research Entrance, or NET, UGC exam. It takes a lot of exams, this authority, National Testing Agency, okay, then you have to know. And the third is this Competition Commission of India junks competition law violation against Google. So we don't have to worry about the Google, but we have to know about Competition Commission of India. So this commission was established by Vajpayee ji government, okay, in 2002. So the act name is Competition Commission of India Act 2002 to check the monopolies in the market and to give equal level playing field to every private enterprise, sorry, okay. The fourth news and the last news is antelope like mammal from Bhutan. So antelope like mammal is it was seen, it is called mainland sparrow in Raimona National Park in Assam, Western Assam. So there is presently four type of sparrows, okay. So mainland sparrows is found in Himalaya, Bangladesh, China, Southeast Asia, okay, and these three are endangered, okay, and only protected and well protected is Japanese sparrow, okay. Just you have to know about what is sparrow, because recently I've seen in 2000 this year prelims, elk and other animals were asked, okay. So this was for today, okay. If you like this, if you like the information, please like to the channel and subscribe, and consider sharing it with your friends. I'll upload every day current affair related to UPSC or any other exam, okay. Thank you.